Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. With gold above $2,000, bulls triumph. Whatâ next analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID E783AB8112029 5940 AM. The triumph of the gold bulls has finally come, as gold jumped above $2,000. But whatâ next for the shiny metal? Well, that escalated quickly at the end of July, when gold was still below $1,900. I went on a short vacation, and when I am back, the yellow metal is above $2,000. Whoa, it was a real blitzkrieg. Just please take a look at the chart below. As you can see, gold soared in early August, surpassing the psychologically important level of $2,000 per ounce. Am I surprised? Should I be? Is anyone surprised that the sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening? Yes, the pace at which gold has broken above $2,000 is astounding, but I have been bullish on gold since 2019, when the yellow metal escaped the sideways trend and jumped above $1,400 per ounce. When the Fed started to cut interest rates, even before the pandemic, I have become convinced that the bull market in gold had really set in. And when the epidemic of the coronavirus and the following economic crisis occurred, I have become even more bullish. As a proof, this is what I wrote in the last two editions of the Fundamental Gold Report. Just before my vacation, the repercussions of the coronavirus recession could be more inflationary than the Great Recession, and gold is in the bull market that could last for a while. The coronavirus crisis and the following economic crisis and the response of the central banks and governments significantly shifted the already bullish fundamental outlook for gold prices into even more bullish, also potentially strengthening the role of gold as a strategic asset. And this is what I wrote in the last edition of the Gold Market Overview. Even without the next crisis, the yellow metal should thrive in the current macroeconomic environment of dovish central banks, low real interest rates, high public debts, and uncertain economic outlook. And indeed, we can say many things about gold, but one thing is certain: it is thriving right now. Thriving as hell, please pardon my French, but these are the facts. Gold has risen more than $500 this year, and about $200 in the last 2 weeks alone. In percentage terms, the shiny metal has gained more than 34% in 2020, or more than 1/3. It means that gold is one of the best performing mainstream assets, if not the best, this year. NBSP. Whatâ next for gold? Now, the key question is what happens next for gold. Some analysts fear the correction, and they might be right. Until July, the rally in gold has been very gradual and steady. So, after recent amazing acceleration, correction would not be something strange. However, I will repeat what I said in July. From the fundamental point of view, there is further room for gold to go higher in the long run. The obvious reason for this is the macroeconomic backdrop, with fragile recovery and a lot of uncertainty about the future path of pandemic and economic growth, extravagant fiscal policy, dovish Fed that will maintain lax monetary policy, and negative real interest rates. The second argument for the bull run in gold not ending soon is the situation in the forex market. As you can see in the chart below, the US dollar has softened recently against the euro, which fueled the rally in gold. To be clear, I am not saying that the bull market in gold will end as soon as the greenback rebounds. After all, as you can see in the chart below, gold has been rallying recently in both US dollar and euro, and in pound sterling as well. Having said that, the weakness of the US dollar has definitely helped gold to reach $2,000 so quickly. Last but not least, investors should not forget about the positive momentum. After all, what has happened is not that gold has merely crossed another important level. No, gold has surged to a record high, surpassing the previous peak from September 2011, as the chart below shows. That's a big achievement. A triumphant moment for all gold bulls. Something that will confirm the gold bug's belief that gold prices can only go up. Breaking the previous all-time record is definitely something that could affect imagination of many people who will join the bull's party, strengthening the positive momentum. Fear of missing out is strong and can attract many people, who normally don't invest in precious metals, to gold. Hence, although correction in the short run would be totally normal, or even desirable, the underlying bull market should continue, at least for a while, i.e., until the dominant economic narrative changes, which is not yet happening. NBSP want free follow-ups to the above article and details not available to 99% investors. Sign up to our free newsletter today. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.